Hello and welcome back to the channel. John's just running around putting the last few things into the camper van ready for us to go off to Le Mans. When we get there we will be trying our new Reactive Outdoor cabin tent, which we're quite excited to be using. For those of you that watch us regularly, you'll see that we have trialled it in the garden and now we're going to try it for real. Hopefully our son is going to be staying in it with his friend for a few nights, and before he gets there we're going to see if we can sneak it up as a lounge.
Have arrived. As you can hear in the background from the cars, test day is well and truly underway. We've started unpacking our camper van.
We're about to put the tent up. The tent has got dual purpose this week. We're gonna see if we can fit it out as a lounge, but we also might let the boys sleep in it if they're good.
And what was really surprising when we drove into our pitch,
Look what our neighbours have got.
Exactly the same tent, and theirs is up, so we'll show you the process of putting it up.
Put the pump in, arrow facing up. Slot it in, press it in, click, press button, stand back.
Helen is using what we are calling the official technique for putting the roof vents up, because neither of us are 10 feet tall. So sadly, that's the design flaw of the tent. Other than that, it's really good. So we have our Reactive Outdoor Easy Up cabin tent, currently set up as a lounge. A really nice, comfortable sofa in there. We have the TV, we've got the power station from All Powers, the R2500 V2. This is a beast. We're about to connect the TV to our Starlink and get the dog in. The bed's there already. We're going to sit down and watch the Monaco Grand Prix. So we'll get back to you as soon as we've done that. It's the next day and we have upgraded the lounge with a carpet. Absolutely brilliant. Loving the Reactive Outdoor cabin tent. It's quite windy. It's started to rain. You'll see we've had to add an additional couple of lines to the tent. One of the potential downsides maybe is because the air beams are so wide, they do catch in the wind and it does blow around a bit, but with an additional guy rope it's definitely solid. It's not going anywhere, and you'll see the second one we've added additional guy ropes on as well. It's taking the full brunt of the wind and it's standing up perfectly fine. So yes, they move around a bit, but all tents move around in the rain and the wind, especially when they're as tall as this. It seems to be holding relatively firmly though, so fingers crossed. As you can no doubt hear, it is raining outside and the tent is holding up magnificently. No leaks. It's lovely, cosy and warm. I'm sprawled out on the sofa and about to watch the TV in the dry. So thank you very much, Reactive Outdoors. The tent is working well so far. And in the blink of an eye, we have transformed the Reactive Outdoor cabin tent from a lounge into a very spacious sleeping area for our son and his friend as they join us for the second half of Le Mans week. And Helen's about to make the beds. I've pumped them up, I've put down the sofa and moved the TV out, and so now we have an exceptionally spacious sleeping and living area for the boys. Back from Le Mans. It's a very beautiful hot day, as you can see, and the first thing we're doing with the Reactive Outdoor is we're going to pop it up, same as you would do for any tent. We put it away this morning, it was very wet, and so let's pop it up and try it out. And because it's an air tent with a pump installed, it's going to be super easy. And that's all we have to do. Helen's over there emptying the camper van. I'm going to leave this to pop itself up and carry on emptying out all the rest of the stuff. With the eagle-eyed of you, you'll see the camper van is moved. We've unloaded it, the tent's been up, it's dried out, and I'm going to pop it away now. It's been great for us over the long week, so now it's dry, we can fold it away properly.